Wave extension and failure. In this lesson, we will discuss the cases where we deal with the elongating impulse and shorten the last 5 waves. Wave extension. Sometimes it occurs that one of the impulses is elongated. Elliott named such situations by the name elongated, where the wave was divided into additional waves. The next rule of this theory is the fact that only one action wave in the impulse can be elongated, in comparison to the last 2 action waves. It is worth to note and remember that. In interpreting the charts of different markets, we can observe that mostly the wave 3 is elongated. Behind the fact comes a rule which you should remember from the last lessons of the course. It is wave 3 is the shortest wave in the 5-wave structure. Often it occurs like this because of the psychology of the crowd, of which you will learn in the lesson about the oddities of the waves. Of course, we can observe the elongating of the wave 3 similarly on the bear market. When it comes to elongating the waves, we can observe also elongations of other than the wave 3. This is an example of elongating the wave 1, situation for the bull and the bear market. Elongation of the wave 5 in the 5-wave structure. There is also the undefined elongation. Sometimes the underwaves of the elongated wave, with the same amplitude and the duration as the remaining 4 impulse waves, and then all the traffic between the 9 waves of the similar size instead of the normal 5. If we deal with such a situation, it is difficult to tell which wave is elongated, but that is not important because 9 and 5 have the same meaning. After 9 waves of the same amplitude and the duration comes the end of the whole impulse. Shortening of the wave. Let us go to the issue called shortening of the waves, or as Elliott named this phenomenon, refraction wave. This is the situation where the wave 5 does not go beyond the peak of the wave 3. We are certain of the fact that if we deal with the shortened wave 5 when we can see it in the 5-wave impulse structure, the presence of the short 5 warns the investors about the weakness of the market because it usually does not reach the projected level of prices. This formation gives a great signal to sell. Such a collapse can also occur in a market slump.